What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Guys, today I'm going to share with you something that I tried out, I really like, and so I want to share it with you. And what it is the Ginger Armor Mineral Sunscreen. So you guys know I don't really talk about a whole lot of sunscreens on my channel. I have a sunscreen that I love. I have mentioned it. I have shown it. And that is the one that I always use. But I'm out of it. It is going to be in my empties, so you'll see it coming up. And it's so funny that I ran out of it, and before I was able to purchase another one, Ginger Armor reached out to me, wanted to send me their mineral sunscreen to try out and share with you guys. So I said, sure, I'll try it out. Now, they didn't say I had to share it, but they did say if I liked it, if I would share it. So with that being said, spoiler alert, I like it. Okay, it comes in a package like this. So this kind of just goes down into this package. This is like a cardboard box, so it is biodegradable, and their packaging also is recyclable. So I like that. They are very earth conscious, so they try to do things that help save the earth, so that's a good thing. So this Ginger Armor Mineral Sunscreen has a SPF of 50. So that's good. It's also a daily moisturizer, and it's made for sensitive skin. So I used this for a while because I wanted to make sure that I liked it before I shared it with you. And I do. So I want to go ahead and share it with you today. Now, we know that mineral sunscreens sometimes leave a white coating or a white cast on melanated skin. This does not. So for me, it soaked in. It didn't leave a white cast, and it's not supposed to. If you're darker than me, of course, you know, you'll see a little bit at first, but give it about 10-15 minutes and it should soak right in. You only need a little bit of this as well. So what I wanted to do is go ahead and show you how I apply this, how it looked on my skin when I applied it. And I also am going to be showing you me using it under makeup. So roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay guys, so in this clip, I'm going to shake this up first, and you're going to see me applying it to my face. I use 2 pumps, and that covers my whole face, ears, and neck. For melanated skin, you only need 1 to 2 pumps, or half actually, and if you're darker than me, you could go with a half to 1 pump. And if you're fairer than me, you can go from 2 to 3 pumps. I'm somewhere in the middle, so I just went on and did 2 pumps, and that was quite enough for me. As you can see, it does give a little bit of a purplish tint at first when you're first applying it, but it soaked in quite nicely, as you can see on my face, and it gives you a nice little glow. So it does moisturize. It does have squalene in it, has some argan oil, and a lot of nice other oils in it to help to moisturize the skin. That's why you can use it alone as your moisturizer, or of course you can apply it on top of moisturizer. I've done it both ways. I've used it on top of moisturizer. It worked well. It didn't peel, it didn't ball up or anything like that. I used it without moisturizer, as I did today, and it made my face feel very moisturized. It's very light. It doesn't feel heavy at all on the skin, and it just gives you a nice moisturized glow. So as you can see now, I've applied my makeup on top, and my makeup is gliding on with ease, no problem. So guys, you see my face looks moisturized. I think that this is a really good product. Like I said, it's very light. You only need a little bit because it's very concentrated. You would reapply it if you're going to be out in the sun a whole lot. If you're just in the house, one application is fine. This is also unscented. So with all that being said, guys, I like it. This is what I've been gravitating to. I have not even went out and bought any other sunscreens because I've just been using this, and I haven't had any irritation. It hasn't irritated my eyes. It hasn't given me any breakouts. It hasn't given me any kind of rashes. I can barely feel it on my face. It is that light, and I like it. And the fact that I can just put it on, and a couple seconds later it has soaked into my skin, and I can go ahead and apply my makeup, or I can go free faced if I want to. In a previous video, I said all I had on was sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I had on, so you can see even there that my face didn't have a white cast on it or anything. So that is why I wanted to share it with you guys. You guys know that I am going to give you my honest opinion about things. And I think if you enjoy mineral sunscreens and you want to use something that is environmentally safe and safe for sensitive skin, and you want to use a brand that cares about the environment, I think that this is right up your alley. I think it's a good one and it's worth trying out. They did give me a link for you to use to get to their site. It will give you 10% off your purchase. So I do want to let you know that. I will have it in the description box. So make sure if you're interested in this, you go down there and you click that link so you can save some money. But yeah, I like it. If you're scared of, a lot of us are scared of mineral sunscreens. And to be honest, a lot of us black people don't even use sunscreen. We think that we don't need it. I was with somebody the other day and I was like, you could put your sunscreen on? No, I just don't really wear sunscreen. I mean, it's not that hot and then it's been gloomy and cloudy. And I was like, you need your sunscreen. I don't care if it's cloudy. I don't care if it's winter, whatever. You need your sunscreen. So we know that we don't really wear sunscreen because we don't want to take the time to rub it in. We don't want to take the time to spend the money. We don't want to take the time to try to hide a white cast. All these are reasons why we don't use sunscreen. So with this one, to me, you don't have to worry about the white cast. There are some that you do. This one to me soaks in quite well. Now, if you go ham on it and you put 5-6 pumps in your hands and you put it on your face, you're going to see that purple and it may take longer to soak in. You definitely want to use it on dry skin as well. If you put it on wet skin, it's going to take longer to soak in too, because the water is a barrier from this soaking into your skin like it's supposed to. So make sure that you're putting it on dry skin. Make sure you're using the recommended dosage for your skin tone. 2 pumps should be plenty. If you're darker than me, 1 pump they said would work. And if you're lighter, fairer skin than I am, then maybe 2 to 3 pumps would work for you. But make sure that you rub it in quite well, and it's very concentrated. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know what I have been using, what I'm liking. Yeah, just wanted to share it with you. So you let me know, have you tried Ginger Armor, guys? And it's made in the USA. It's made in the USA. So it was actually made by a man who is a redhead, hence Ginger Armor name for ginger, redhead and really fair skin. And he wanted to make something that would protect his skin, not be irritating and things like that. So with that being said, if it can protect a fair skin redhead, it definitely can protect us. So yeah, guys, just wanted to bring it to you, share my thoughts on it. If you're interested, like I said, there is a link where you can save some money. And yeah, let me know if you've tried this before. If you have, tell us in the comment section how you feel about it. If you wear it with or without moisturizer underneath, if you wear it with or without makeup, what kind of results you get and things of that sort. We want to learn from you as well. But guys, I am telling you my experience. You saw me apply it. It's soaked in. You saw me put my makeup on. You see my makeup now. It's there. It's not creasing. It's not running or anything. And I like it. And it lasts the whole day. So like I said, it just comes, you know, in this little container, which I thought was cute. Pop it out and you go. And remember, they do have a travel size as well. So yeah, those are my honest opinions on Ginger Armor. And for me, would I repurchase it? Yes, I'd repurchase it. I feel like this is gonna last me a while because it's still full and I've used it quite a bit, because you only need a little bit. So I definitely would repurchase this. Do I still like my other one? Yes. If I find that one on sale, will I get it? Yes. But for right now, I'm out of that one and I have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to use this one. I think it's good. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.